So that's the clip, guys. This is what holds the O-ring into the carburetor. Hey guys, Machines of Metal, happy Friday. It's sunny out there and warm. We got the toque and the jacket off, so that's a good sign. I was just working on one of these old Toro recyclers. This has got the Briggs Stratton E-Series engine on it, the new later model overhead valve type, with this wonderful plastic carburetor that we all love to hate. And I just want to make a real quick reference video regarding the O-ring and the clip that belong in the throat of the carburetor when you take this thing apart. So what'll happen when you pull the carburetor off, guys, that's the intake manifold right there. Sometimes when you pull it off, the O-ring and this little white plastic ring clip will not come with the carburetor. It'll stay, oh, there it is. It'll stay on that intake pipe. So that's the clip, guys. This is what holds the O-ring into the carburetor. And when I pulled that carburetor off, this is the little O-ring that fell off. So what you want to do before you go and shove this back on is make sure you take both of those pieces, and the O-ring goes into the throat first. Kind of sits just like that. And then this little plastic clip presses, it'll snap in. If you heard that, it'll snap in just like that. And that's your little seal. So that seals this carburetor to that intake pipe right there. Now you can line this back up, hook up your choke and your governor rod assembly, and slip it back in. All right, that was just a real quick 1.5-minute video for today, Friday. I hope everyone has a great weekend. I'll be here in the shop working on machines. Hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.